Hi, today for the Lenovo Tab M7 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should just hold the application and drag this app to another one, and by the same way we can add here more applications. If you want to give a name to this folder or just rename it, just click here to edit name and enter the new one. Then just tap to OK to home button, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed it. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens or just to create a new screens for the folder, we should just hold it and drag it. And just to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, you can remove all of the applications for the folder together just by the same way, just hold and drag it to remove. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.